So, let's have the last part of your keys bago tayo magpunta ng coupling. Okay? So, let us read the following problems. I have here problems 9 to 12. Okay? So, let's start with number 9. A 7/16" height, so binigyan ka agad dyan ng height, by 3.5" length, flat key, is keyed to a 2.5" diameter shaft. Okay? Compute the torque developed in the key if the bearing stress available is 28 KSI. Alam naman natin, okay, from the past discussions that kapag hindi mo kayang kabisaduhin yung formula, you need to draw. But in order for us not to take longer, ito na yung formula niya. Okay, the bearing stress on the key is equal to 40/HLDS. Given kagad yung H, given kagad yung L, given kagad itong stress, and then the diameter of the shaft. All you need to do is to reform this equation. So this will become torque equal to SBKHLDS divided by 4. Very basic yung mga solving natin dito. It won't take long. So, your SBK is 28 KSI. So, that is equal to 28,000 pound per inch squared. Okay? Iba yung KSI sa kips, ha? The kips, kip. Okay? 1 kip equal yan sa 1,000 pounds. Kasi ang kip, kilo, pounds. Okay? Remember that. And then H is 7/16". Yung L is 3.5". The diameter of the shaft is 2.5". Divide by 4. Okay? Ang lalabas dapat dyan, since it is torque, pound-inch. Calculate the same units, inch squared, inch squared, inch squared. Okay? So, 28,000 multiply to 7 divided by 16 by 3.5 times 2.5 divided by 4. So the answer is 26,796.875 pound inch. Basic yung mga ganitong problems. Check. Number 10. Okay. So, a rectangular key is used. Ito yung keyword. Rectangular key is used in a pulley connection to transmit 120 kilowatts of power at 1,300 RPM. On a 5 mm shaft diameter, determine the force required to remove the shaft from the hub. Okay? If F is equal to 0.50. Okay? Meron kang friction. Yan yung kumukontra dun sa force. Okay? To remove the shaft from the hub. Tingnan natin. So, may mga binigay sa akin dito. So, napaisip ako So, number 10. Yan. Ang hahanapin natin is the torque muna. So, power is equal to T and divide by factor. So, ang hanapin natin is torque. So, in terms of the torque, that is power times factor divide by N. Okay? So, torque is equal to force times radius. Ang kailangan ko is force. Tama? So, force muna ako. Reform natin. Force is equal to T divided by R. Or yung R kasi is simply equal to D divided by 2. So, 2T divided by D. So, F is equal to 2T divided by diameter of the shaft. Okay? So, palitan natin yung torque. Force muna ako dito. Force is equal to 2 times the torque, that is power times factor. Okay? Divided by N diameter of the shaft. So, force is equal to twice of the power, 120 kilowatts, times the factor, 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatt, divided by yung N natin. N is 1,300 RPM. Times 55 mm diameter of the shaft. Cancel same units. Millimeter, kilowatt, RPM. Ang matitira is Newton. Kailangan natin kilonewton. So, multiply natin to ng 1 kilonewton every 1,000 newtons. So, cancel na si Newton. Ang natira ngayon kilonewton. So, the force is equal to 2 times 120 times 9549123 divided by 55 times 1,300 times 1,000. Oy, basic oh. Okay? Just the force. Okay? So, the force is equal to 32.0525. So, ano ang malalaman natin dyan? That you don't have to doubt kapag may nakita kang unfamiliar. Yung unfamiliar point dito is itong friction coefficient. Since hindi naman siya gagamitin dun sa ating formula, why not try it first? Calculate mo muna. And then pag nakita mo dun sa choices na malapit yung answer mo, then that is the answer. That is the time you will stop from having it on solutions. Okay? Huwag mo problemahin masyado. Ilagay mo muna sa equation, isolve mo. Okay? Pag may nakita ka unfamiliar, ibig sabihin, hindi mo muna gagamitin yun. Like this one, yung friction, nagbigay siya. Which is very unrelated pagdating sa problem. Okay? So, let's proceed with number 11. An 80 mm diameter shafting of SAE grade 1040, cold rolled, having yield point, okay? Binigyan ka ng yield point. Tapos, size of the key. This is the height, width, and length. Okay? Magkabaliktad yan eh. Length, width, and height. Height, width, and length. Ganun dapat yung, yung kanyang pagkaka-arrange. Now, you compute the minimum yield point from the previous problems. Meron din tayong na-solve na ganito. Okay? In the key, in order to transmit the torque in the shaft, the factor of safety is 0.5. Okay? So, nagbigay ng yield point sa shaft. Since yung shaft mo is with keyway, dun tayo sa standard ng shafting. So, ibig sabihin yung factor of safety of the shaft is the same factor of safety nung key. The only thing na magiging related sila is between the torque. Okay? So, 11. Yung torque on the key is equal to the torque on the shaft. Tandaan natin yan. Okay? So, the design stress on the shaft is equal to 16T over pi diameter of the shaft cube. It just so happened that when we are talking about design stresses, diba? This is equal to 0.6 SY. Nagbigay siya ng yield point divided by the factor of safety. Wouldn't it hurt na in terms of the torque, i-solve ko siya. So, the torque of the shaft is equal to, i-reform ko lahat ito in terms of the torque of the shaft. So, this will become 0.6 SY of the shafting pi diameter of the shafting cube divide by 16 factor of safety. I now have the first equation. Okay? The other one, alam natin that nagbigay dito yung yield point of the key. Okay? So, the yield point of the key, babase natin siya dun sa shearing stress on the key. That is equal to 0.6 SYK divided by factor of safety. Okay? Yung SSK ng key or SS, shearing stress on the key, is equal to 2T. Diba? 2 tens na wild. WLDS. So, I will reform it in terms of the torque. So, torque of the key is equal to 0.6 SYK WLDS divided by 2 factor of safety. Sabi ko, di ba equal to sa TS? Which is equal to 1. So, equate natin silang dalawa. So, set aside 0.6 SYK WLDS divided by 2FS. Okay, equal to 0.6 SYS pi diameter of the shaft cube divided by 16 Fs. Okay, finalizing the answer. Ano ba kailangan ko? SYK lang. Okay, the yield strength of the key. So, same units, same value, cancel. So, 0.6. Okay, si DS, mababawasan ito ng isa, kaya maging dalawa na lang. Si FS, itong si 2, cancel ito, maging 8 na. So, simplifying by cross multiplication. Okay. So, SYK equal to SYS pi diameter of the shaft squared. Okay. Divide by 8WL. Ayun yung working equation natin. Paslak natin lahat ng value. So, SYK is equal to, yung SYS natin is, bigay ba dito? 55 KSI. So, 55,000 pound per inch squared. Okay. Pi, diameter of the shaft. Diameter of the shaft is 80 mm. So, 80 mm times 1 inch every 25.4 mm. Okay? Naka-squared. Divide by 8 times, in W natin, W is 0.75. Ito, 3/4 and 4 inch. 0.75 inch times 4 inch. Cancel all same units. Dapat lalabas dyan is PSI, pounds per inch squared. So, inch squared. Inch squared. So, the answer is 55,000 pi times 80 divided by 25.4, square mo yung value, divide by 8 times 0.75 times 4. So, 7.1. O, bakit kaya kulang? I think, dito, W mo is 1/2. The width is 1/2. Try natin palitan ng 0.5. So, hindi pa rin sakto. Ano kaya naging problema? Factor of safety is 5. O, tama naman. The minimum yield point in the key. Meron ba ako nakaligtaan? So, 8 times 0.75. Okay. Ayan, 0.65 bata ginamit nyo. Ayan. I don't know saan nagmula. Ayan. Somewhere there. Yun yung ginamit. I don't know what happened there. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito, 0.75. Okay? Kasi tignan nyo na to ha. Kinancel ko dito yung 2. Magiging 8 nga naman yung 16 Fs. Okay? So, in terms of the torque. So, review natin. Okay, tama naman yung process dito. Here. Dito naman, so may 2. Tapos may 0.6 Fs. Same lang sila. May sinabi bang same ang material ng key? Sa shaft? Wala. Sa shaft, itong factor of safety na 5. So, kung ganun ang solving, let us try. Ano ba yung sagot niya? 71,419.0158 PSI. Let us try. What if ito lang yung sa key, hindi natin gagamitan ito? Yield point on the cube. What if wag natin gamitan ito? Okay? Wag natin gamitan yan. Yung 0.6. Dito, wag natin gamitan ito. This part. Don't use it. Yung part na ito. Equate lang natin. So, SSK is equal to yung torque 0.6 SY SY of the shaft pi diameter of the shaft cube divide by 16 factor of safety. Tapos, that is twice times 2. 2T over WL/ds. So, maka-cancel yung isa dito ng ds. Magiging squared. Cancel. 0.6 SY is pi diameter of the shaft is squared times 2. Divide by 16 Fs WL. Ayan. 0.6 SYS natin is 55,000. Pi times 80 divided by 25.4 squared times 2 divided by 16 times 5 times W na 0.75 times 4. So, lumit yung value. Okay? Kulang ba ako? I think not. Okay, talagang maliit. 8570. Kulang ng isa. Saan kaya niya nakuha yan? Don't know. Anyway, kung talagang ganun yung solving, wala tayong magagawa. Trinay naman natin. We have exhausted our powers, di ba? Okay? So, let's move on to number 12. So, a flat key is to be designed for 75 mm diameter shaft, which will transmit 200 kilowatts of power at 420 RPM. If the allowable shearing stress is 220 MPa and the key width is 18 mm, find the length of the key. Okay? So, direct substitution to. Power is equal to Tn divided by factor. Alam naman natin, pag nagbigay ng factor, ng power, at saka ng N, or the rotational speed, torque kagad yung hahanapin natin. So, torque is equal to power times factor divide by N. Yan. So, the shearing stress on the key is given. SS key is 2T over WL ds. Wala akong L, may ds ako, may W ako, may torque na ako. So, L ang hahanapin ko. L is equal to 2T over SS key W ds. Expand natin siya. So, this is twice of the torque. Power times factor. Divide by SSK times N W ds. So, L is equal to twice of the power. Power given there is 200 kilowatts. 200 kilowatts. 9549123 Newton, millimeter, RPM, every kilowatts. Divided by shearing stress on the key, 220 MPa. Tapos N is 420 MPa. May MPa dyan, palitan mo ng Newton per millimeter squared. Okay, tapos 18 mm is the length of is the key width, and then 75 mm diameter. 18 mm, 75 mm. Cancel all same units, mm squared. Okay. Ganito rin dito. MPa, Newton per... Ano ba? RPM to. Ito pala dapat ang RPM. So, RPM, yung MPa mo ay Newton per millimeter squared. Okay? Newton every mm squared. Cancel same units. Okay? RPM, RPM. Newton, Newton, kilowatt, kilowatt. Natira na lang si mm. Okay? Kailangan ko is mm. Pasok yung value sa calculator. 2 times 200 times 9549. Okay? Divide by 220 times 420 times 18 times 75. So, the answer is 30.62 mm. Eh, kayang-kaya niyo yan.